Everybody, this is me, Brendan Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. I'm driving my SL55. I'm driving it this morning. At the same time this morning, I've observed and read some discussions on Facebook about why a Mercedes SL should not have adjustable coilovers, why they should keep an arrangement with ABC. That when you remove ABC, active body control suspension, you no longer have the SL. If you want a Mercedes or any car without ABC, then don't buy an SL. That is very short-sighted, narrow-minded, and very minimalist perspective regarding the Mercedes SL. And the reason why I say that, it's also a very selfish viewpoint, because when you're saying that, you're only considering your perspective. You're only considering your maybe situation. The fact of the matter is, no matter how much you deny it, the suspension on these cars are a problem, and I think everybody can agree to that. The extent of the problem is what a lot of people also cannot agree to, though, is because some people are able to maintain theirs while others are not able to, and have to pay somebody else to do it. That's just fact. And when you have to pay somebody else to do it, it will cost you $10,000 plus dollars. I've heard $5,000, I've heard $10,000, I've heard $15,000 to repair some of the common issues that go wrong with the Mercedes. It's often not just one issue that needs to be resolved, it's several. It's a domino effect. There's other issues with the system that leads to other issues with the system. And so fixing the obvious does not always fix the main issue. It's like fixing, you're trying to fix a cancer, but you're just doing surface symptom type remedies, and that's not going to resolve the issue. You have to sometimes dig deep into the ABC system and get it at the core of the problem. So what a lot of people disagree with also is that Mercedes, yeah, they're fantastic in their design, but this design is 20 plus years old, and so nothing lasts forever. You have to ask yourself, am I putting more money into the car than the car is worth in order to maintain ABC? And is ABC the only way that you can enjoy driving an SL? I say that as I am driving my SL, flying up and down the highway, driving aggressive, driving the way that I want to drive, and the car is able to handle the way I want it to handle. I'm not a Sunday driver. I don't drive slow. I don't drive soft. I drive very fun, right? And my car is sitting on Silver's Neo Max adjustable coilovers with the Swift Spring upgrade. This is a SL55 that's dialed in and tuned to produce approximately 550 horsepower at this point. It has a stage 2 Eurocharge tune. It is a supercharger V8. This thing is very fast, very powerful, and I've had some exhaust mods done to it. It is an incredible, fast, handling, like great handling car. And guess what? I'm driving on adjustable coilovers. So as I am hearing that you cannot drive this car comfortably on adjustable coilover suspension, I'm laughing. I almost get upset when I read these arrogant comments by these people who think that they own Mercedes, that they own the SL brand, the Mercedes brand and the SL model, that if anything that you do other than what they think, then you don't deserve to have an SL. You're broke, and you need to find another car that doesn't have ABC because you're too poor to maintain it. No, we're too smart to want to maintain it. It's a big difference. And so, you know, I just feel like people need to just really relax and really need to open up their mind. And if you don't agree, that's fine, because you don't have to agree, but be respectful. Understand that you do not know everything. You barely know anything. Even a wise person, the Bible said that even those who are wise realize that they know nothing. So the little bit of knowledge that you have regarding your Mercedes does not dictate or indicate somebody else's situation. I am a person of the people. Yeah, I started to sell adjustable coilovers and different products that support customization of the Mercedes suspension. But guess what? I was already doing these mods and advertising for these companies before they reached out to me. So I am an advocate and a fan of these suspensions based off of my experience, not based off of the money that I make. And I think that's where a lot of you all missed the point. I didn't start off pushing these products in order to make money. I did this for years. I mess around with Strutmaster. I realize what they are and what they are not. I mess around with Yellow Speed Racing. I love them. I mess around with Silver's Neomax. I love them. I did them several times before I became a business. I was doing this before I became a business. As the famous Jay-Z said, I'm not a businessman, I'm a business man. It's a big difference. Your mindset is different. The way that you move is different. The way, the purpose of why I do what I do has changed. But the love that I have for Mercedes has not. If anything, it has increased. And my respect and my love for my customers and my clients has increased. To be able to help them with their personal circumstances gives me a state of euphoria. I really love what I do. And these discussions that I am a part of, that I read, I mean, it's really just, I mean, I've had these same people who argue up and down about how great ABC is reach out to me privately and admit that I was correct. And how much do I charge for an adjustable coilover conversion? The very people who I help, the very people who I sell the products to, the very people who I do conversions for, these people know who I am and they appreciate what I do because they enjoy the benefits of their Mercedes SL, CL, and S-Class on adjustable coilovers. The proof is undeniable. It is a moot point at some point because you're just like arguing with a fool in some cases. No disrespect. All right, just want to make that quick video as I'm driving my personal SL55, sitting on Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers. Gotta go.